I have so many pictures, boxes, and documents of things going back to 1894. I'm so glad that I found some way to preserve them for my family and future generations. Let's get started with my memory station. It's so easy to use. The image stabilizer flattens the photos to make a better scan. Then all you do is press scan. What's really amazing is that it doesn't have to be a picture. It can be an object and it will scan it. Click Restore and your images will automatically go into the Restore software to make them look great. So this is a faded photo. So you want to go up to Faded Print or Slide and click on that. And then it gives you all of these options and you can pick the one that you think looks best to you and click on that. And you can see the difference. It's amazing. So now that I have restored my image, I'm able to record a voice memory to go with it. So I'll go down here to record. This is my grandmother and all her sisters. I think there were like 12, and they are picking strawberries in her brother's strawberry farm. It's just great. They all have their bonnets on, except my grandmother. She was a little bit of a rebel. Stop record. But it's wonderful because now I can share this with my whole family. They've never even seen it, and you're all set. So Stories allows me to combine my images and my voice recordings of my memories to create movies. So this screen allows me to remove any images that I might not want or move them around to create a movie. So then you go to Create. Now let me share this wonderful short story of my family. This is my grandfather's naturalization paper that he got when he came over from Ireland in 1925. This is my grandmother and all her sisters. I think there were like 12, and they are picking strawberries in her brother's strawberry farm. It's just great. They all have their bonnets on, except my grandmother. She was a little bit of a rebel. So this is a pouch. It's called a pouch, and it goes on the kilt that my grandfather wore in World War I. He was in the Irish Brigade, and this was part of their uniform.